no one ever knows where we're heading, where this story goes. You just gotta hold on to your path. What feels right in your heart and your soul. I know you always wanna do what's right. I know you rather wanna flight than fight. But every now and then you gotta pause. Ask yourself, is this right? Stand your ground. You say, I wanna be the hero, 'cause I don't wanna give up. Now I am down at zero. When will it ever stop? I'm only human. How am I supposed to cope? One bad decision. I'm running out of rope. No one ever knows where we heading, where the story goes. I just gotta hold on to my path. What feels right in my heart and my soul. I wanna be the hero, 'cause I don't wanna give up. But when I'm down at zero, will it ever stop? I'm only human. Yeah. How am I supposed to cope? Oh, one bad decision. I'm running out of rope. Oh, yeah, I'm only human. Oh, how am I supposed to cope? One bad decision. I'm running out of rope. I'm running out of rope. How am I supposed to cope? It was only one bad decision, yeah. I'm running out of rope. Is it over now? Tell me who you become. Was it just a trick of light fading into what we are done? Can we go back to those days when everything felt so right? Or are we just chasing shadows in the middle of the night? Are we just tired of the fight, or just scared to walk away? Caught in between what was love and the ghost of yesterday. Can we go back to those days when everything feels alright? Or are we just chasing shadows in the middle of the night? Is it over now, or can we say goodbye with grace? Or do we keep chasing ghosts, try to fill an empty space? Yeah. Is it over now? Can we say goodbye with grace? Or do we keep chasing ghosts, try to fill an empty space? Tell me, where do we stand? On the edge verge of something we forgot? Or are we just too far gone to remember what we